Hello class, today we're going to watch a short video on how to get your information for Monday T lessons. This Monday is our first T lesson, so it's going to be during period 1. So I'm going to go ahead and click period 1. This is ELD 3 period 1. You can find the weekly T schedule right underneath the welcome. You can just click on the weekly T schedule. And you're going to go ahead and have a page that loads up, and it will give you every Monday, and it will tell you what period you're going to have T in. Now, since this is our first one, we're meeting period 1, and the link for that is right on our home page, and it is down where we have all the links for our video classes. So all you have to do is click here, join Microsoft Team Meeting, and I will see you there on Monday, August 31st at 8:30. Don't forget to accept the weekly T class invitation. Have a great day.